mo akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadie no eso ye de nyame asese nefie so 21st February ye kan atiasefo me no mienu ye wo mu bie no nti na director Weber de nwomu a be mo Kenya sorry akoye adwuma ti de adu so se Badwam ne ye kase sem no ne to je mu bia obetini ye coalition of concerned teachers nso na ebo kokono say yesi aban so wo yi nipa bi adi ewo bra ye fa wo mu mu a teacher for be 20,000 ene wom na ekuri ye de konsam no ebebro na fe yakwa kwhwe kantamanton so ene dwadufo no onkramantam bi mo so afo de atodwa so mbenya soft loans bi na wom timi de akenya wo ho no nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo shine live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTuber search Adom TV tube kwadomonline.com and some way ni bebre so ewo ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bientie said and some ni chemo ankasa etie President Edda Coalition of Concerned Teachers Ken Ali Awudu and a day to Ghana Education Service ni mu no so mo nkoso na appointment a yesi yentwemu free December 7th ho ekro no ehunsun sanso no wonmu ebehu osigi yes efa adwumayefo ya church for 20,000 sebe ya ntokura bede da ho nyom de bechiechie binimo ekwa retirement binimo to sebi wonmu ewu emunsam ede
Directive free chief of staff oba any say omo a ye from adwuma post 7 December 2024 and na yen hwehwe omo appointment manase yen yomudi a teacher for na director general letter nature say yen yamfa won to aban aketua so yen yuwedi no director general patch say omo ye for adwuma August teacher trainees omo we training 2022 we national set 2023 from 2024 no mo nyina yen yomudi say for mo to skill nipa be 20,000 in a free August ABC November no ye for more education service e go be 16,500 a training college teacher trainees obi no be ka say nipa be 16,000 mo we training college in 2022 no omo nyina belong to a certain political party in he doesn't speak well of us as a nation na den tina nipa mienu ya for omo nyina eduma as teachers from teacher training colleges in somewhere August September na de yedi na to aketua homa so de yesi yenja no de yenya fa ni to aketua homa so de yesi yin ni free eno no yeji tumu an yeji nti teacher unions me yakopon ya adomo a na watu free ebe rewu yedi anu disem e ba do tudwa
Enkramanta mimo so for Linda Oklu na wode ne nto akwa mu okantamanto bia ho ehye no nani wode nsembia to wono mo animu kire se soft loans wono sa ebeka bra Women's Development Bank no wono mo asie pepepe emu nsem Adom TV kase etoso
mu problem so a mudi 2 yenim no me pese me kan che mu se NDC mu se ye policy baako aye Women's Bank enche sa bank ye be implement na sa bank ba sika upebia nyame ya adom sa be ye den abeka so na be ya sika na ye be ma mu interest na ye den aye low enti ho kwa mu de mu ma mu akoma anya de embra from Women's Bank de ba ye be make sure say obia wo se onya sa sika ne sabe de ne sabeka
and which you know chairman the Ma Traders Association you kantamanto ne din and Reverend Opoku Afre and so editor and central for anyone say
ya papa ni mahama sika no de ma yen de obia sabeka ne chefa e kina se sa abo ne se kina e be ya adwuma ne sa sika no mo beti yanka edwa nyina beti yanka price fo nyina beti yanka e kina se kanu omampani de ma 1 million Ghana cedis no ye be cha mo bia ane achade amanfo de bre nyina china nso ye be ma dwamate na ya bo hodwa abu akonta bia e fasika bia ye nsakapo na ne titiro omampani de ende ya hye se ya papa kan se mfanto bibi kakra no saa ne ye be ye no ye mfanto cement ye mfanto bibia ye be che ne kakra
ya medi nsem ya chidi madom kase medi ne selasi amo
ene ya meka say so aban ato aban adwumayefo aketua mu ko ho mu nchemu edu na ne nyina no ye bra mpanifo ene mampani ne labor unions ahodo no ehia ye di nkomo ena wo ebedru babia wadre.
That the base pay on the single spine salary structure has been increased by 10% across board from January 2025 to December 2025.
No, Finance Minister Atuba Force and to go there. Taxes who are banana and window will be ye for my 10% now. Ozama own there Usano, one Kakrana with two and Musu, now was our trend or pay. And ni muno or the Jumafu in Nasi. A war and on tour and our papa when ya was a rigid 10%.
We are in this together, and I want to assure employers that we'll begin the process of recovery and we'll bring the economy back to life for businesses to survive and to also do well and to create the needed employment.
Kojo Mensa Abrampa Namanziabo.
Nti Kojo Mensa Abrampa wie yenso wode adwumayefo ahodo yi bi nkabomkuo no edi nkomo etie won no di nsem efa 10% a ene yede eka waketua ho.
The quite 10% Usakra ishe misma nzama na broko inflation is right now on average around 23.5%, and especially full inflation yes gain and it's been full inflation is still around 28%. Minti no quite 10% nja Usakra mubizanti asramu momodiana monje 10% no MI na afisa the Chibiano economy improve ya be abeka amamono me just know na ma organized labor ejitum
emunye tiama aban benefit of the doubt say enukre emunye enti na ye to abama na yi amunya opportunity so ma bia afa na mo aba enti 10% ni de enye de but yasom ayegide say workers nso for now no monti asese beginning ebrepam no Echo April num say negotiation wo ho a e wo say no say base pay for 2026 ordinarily enya ban we nanka e wo say o negotiating for sa percentage former aban
na wasan hwemude yase no mampani John Dramani Mahama ebo abandada no kwa dupa wo kwan a wo mo fa so a wo mahwehwan Ghana sikasem asifomu.
You know, we are your natural allies, and we've worked together for many years. One thing that is a cardinal principle for us is to tell the truth at all times. We all knew the economy was in crisis, but some of the things I'm discovering myself, I mean, it's been a criminal handling of our economy. And Ghana is a crime scene, actually, because how a government can have been so reckless, I cannot understand. But we're faced with a reality, and our options are very few. We can behave like the ostrich and hide our heads in the sand and let the economy crash. But then what effect would it have on Ghanaian households and everybody? And so I've told him, I said, cut expenditure as much as you like. Even we ourselves in Office of Government Machinery cut as much of our budget as you like, because we all must make those sacrifices. A certain distrust of the political class has arisen, because it's like when everybody else is tightening their belts, the political class is loosening its belts. But I want to assure you that we're all going to tighten our belts, and there will be no wasteful expenditure. It is said that we create and share. And so let's start cooking the meal now, so that we can share when we have created.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso no na amrahwe bedwani ma adehye wo walewale nso elbo military for kwadu se womo ye adwuma bi wo potamu ho constituency ho anya ne papa so a womo tata adehye bi no mu ne ye wo ho emu nkyeremu Adom TV kase etwaso.
Mr. Speaker, these recent reprisal attacks have caused the Minister of Interior to impose a curfew on Walewale and East Environs. This decision is heavy-handed and the first of its kind to be imposed on a community that is relatively peaceful without prejudice to the activities of the bandits in the area, within the area. It does not make sense to punish residents in those communities because most of them are just victims. What is even surprising, Mr. Speaker, is that all the attacks occur on the Walawala Road during the daytime, outside the curfew hours.
And Ochi, Rashibi Jania, or no Sujinama, when they were West, Peter Lanchin Tobu, and so where the sources say.
To allow the Minister of Defense, the Minister of Interior, in a closed sitting, for them to give us update as what is happening in northern Ghana, particularly in relation to the Boko area, that is now gradually becoming a Boko area, including the Walewale area. I think it's a matter of worry to all of us. But I also want to recommend that apart from the Defense Minister and the Interior Minister, we should get the two chairmen of the two regional security councils involved. The chairman of the Upper East Regional Security Council and the chairman of the Northeast Regional Security Council, for them to come and brief this House.
Assemblyman ya wono ewo kwabia ewo Kentampo South mensimu obuno East Mantam no emo Alfred Ghana ene wo pre ne nkwa den brebeto dwase nipakuo bia wonsuso so wo national security wono abro no no de akra susu say this regional chair obuno East Unas Owusu ono ne hyekire amane ekoso na brabo mu no ekoso
regional secretary of that regional secretary to me my brother nti netime roche anytime bia so regional secretary so ba oba yaka nti me roche ko e mi go dure no na omanya achimi a she kat what say matters me na omoye 3 macho men plus a driver na omo tende omo de mi share car mu na omo de handcuff omo chichiri mi de handcuff share me nsa na omo de me pa di ma kwan no so na me bisa omo say ma ye den na mo achimi amode ko omo say Madidi regional chairman atem my audio adidi na atem na am say audio be na won say me ma no ti start o ka ni mo bo mi sa e de me ko e ko du tanfia no na eja me ti e tra tanfia no kakra na mo tan start bo mi sa wo ka ni se so bo bisa me question number answer na ye bo me adan am say Madidi constituency chairman atem constituency chairman chairman Selema and regional chairman my audio e wo apa assemblyman platform so adidi o matem beginning no yes young conference no nti omo conference no ndi young conference na amoka so omo conference omo bokum nti omo yes omo fa me ko ba bi fa won nti o ha na omo ta ba kunya akọ si chairman si ye fa member office na omo chairman wo si young conference na ye fa member office dey na omo de me ekọ office
Aprodie hene wa hafumantamo na nada akokofo ede to aban no enim se wonye na wo mewie Empower University of Engineering and Applied Sciences ho entoma wa Aprodie se be na meno so ne mpuntuo abaho
ye besre regional minister wa bay sanada Roma obeboa se be ye adwumadie no de aka ne de obehwe ne wato aso ade amaye yesan say ahafo ha nyina varsity na hana ye de baaye na wa moa na ankoso a na enema bebrebe akaachi ama ahafo region no a yensa kaaye no
Odin nsem etudwa ewie no osoafo no Charity Gardner editudwa se obeye de obeye bia ahwese aban no ebewie saa university no
basa meba na mabeboa ama akodie ene ahafo afa nenti mapefra se kasa amemu a ana governance a entoaso intimidie me yen administration e wo mu de si yani so ne se yen fa woni baby a obi ye kodru ye baby akodru bia no ye wo ma hoden kwa ye betoaso na awie na ye ma ye nananom enso abenya so mfaso em se me ba ye no me handing over note e de ma me no me hu sa school ya wo kan wasemi me ne ma pamfo so atena se ne enkwan papa ye di school ne be faso ama akodie man so enya so mfaso
Aminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na be makwan na no pe ye de esi ye da se papa emre ni adaje wadaro ma ye de news no esi na da obonkrata no ne online de no ye de ato aso twen esi ye kwaba